Chronic diseases are formally classified as diseases which last more than 3 months.
Something like cancer or inflammatory diseases that require constant therapies, right? So not an acute condition that resolves quickly.
Typically, treatments are few or not available for many chronic diseases. Glycomics is really the study of carbohydrates and their effects in nature and across biology.
Glycomics has kind of been ignored or remained dormant for a while, and we're quickly realizing that is representing a whole new range of biomarkers that can be used to kind of better inform clinicians of how to better treat their patients.
We have the possibility to develop a laboratory technique that allows us to detect cancer cells and potentially use the sugar to deliver a drug to the cancer cells selectively while sparing the normal cells.
It would have tremendous impact in saving lives and improving the health of Canadians, North Americans, people worldwide. There's no question about it. Because it will make these technologies and therapies for treating chronic disease accessible potentially to anyone.
Glycomics research is really at an important point now where people have been working in glycobiology and carbohydrate chemistry for a long time, but it's really only in the last few decades that there's been support for large networks like GlycoNet that have brought a lot of people together to solve bigger problems in the field. And I think that really has brought a lot of technologies to bear, that's shared a lot of expertise with different groups about how to use those technologies to address problems.
GlycoNet is different from most funding sources because there's a tremendous focus on the networking aspect, working with other people, because often we're working on aspects of biology that we're not always experts in. So having access to all those other investigators, which have now become my colleagues, has improved our confidence in what we're doing.
GlycoNet is being hugely instrumental in helping us to take the concepts, the technologies, the products, and actually translating those out into a commercial entity where then they can have the potential to get out to the market.
To do that effectively, we need to commercialize, and so that's what we're effectively doing, is taking these ideas, which are these biomarkers being funded by GlycoNet, and trying to get it all the way to the clinic so that clinicians will actually be able to use it every day.
I think the future is very exciting, and Glycomics is going to play an essential or a linchpin role in enabling and developing many different therapies for genetic diseases, chronic diseases. I mean, it's going to be big.